If you guys hear that whine, comment down below, okay? This is a whole RT, y'all, without no air intake filter. No, imagine when I get an air intake filter. I'm realizing I've been hearing my RT whine, but I wasn't really paying no attention, like. But I feel like if I get an air intake or something like that, guys, this thing is gonna be whining a little louder than what you hear. If you hear it a little bit, comment down below, because I hear it. I'm in a 6th gear, and every time it was like 25 RPM, and I hit the gas a little bit, you hear it like, you hear it. Like, that's crazy, y'all. These RTs be whining. And it's doing little pops. But this RT right here I got is something different. Stock, too. I gotta get this thing tuned up and stuff. Let's see if we get a better whine. Let's see me. Go down the gears real quick. If I get some stuff done to this thing, guys, this RT gonna be popping like crazy. I know it is. Sounds so amazing. Don't sleep on these RTs, y'all. Don't sleep on these RTs, okay? For you guys. Red line, let's see it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm out, man. Make sure y'all comment down below. Listen, I'm out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide.